Here we are then, eyes on the lights. Morgan Hill on driver's left, right as we look at it in the number 22. Lewis ISLIN alongside. Lights out and away we go for heat number 2 of the Honda Cadets for round 5 of WMKC. And it looks to me like Hill has been able to hold on to it. And as I say, he's going to need a good result here. Or he could do with a good result here, battling for second place. They're all taking the inside line. Does anyone want to take the conventional racing line through Christmas Corner? They all know that's where the opportunities are. It cancels everything out, and there's not too many changes of position, but there for the lead. ISLIN goes up the inside of Morgan Hill for the lead at Ashby, and he's got the job done, and following him through is the number 98 of Timo Youngling, and Youngling now goes for the lead against Lewis ISLIN, and Youngling gets to the head of the field. Brilliant start from Timo Youngling, but ISLIN's going to try and come back at him into the boot, is he? No, there's nothing on there. So it's Youngling, ISLIN, and then Morgan Hill, I believe, has held on to third, although he's under pressure here now from, looks like Rylan ECHBERG to me, as they come across the line. It is indeed Timo Youngling, ahead of Lewis ISLIN, excuse me. But no, Morgan Hill has gone back to, he's under pressure now from timing tower is working, my timing is not. There we go, Timo Youngling, Lewis ISLIN, ECHBERG, but there's all change anyway, as there, I think that's ECHBERG going past ISLIN, and now the 57 of Jack Stewart is trying to get involved as well. He's going to be on the outside of Wilkins, so nothing on there, and he doesn't try the inside of Oziers, but he's clearly putting a lot of pressure here on to Lewis ISLIN as they come through the boot. Timo Youngling still in the lead of this one, but now it's Rylan ECHBERG in second. Oh, what happened then? ECHBERG just got past. ECHBERG got a brilliant drive off the paddock and he got alongside. They were right there was zero gap as they came across the line, but something happened to Timo Youngling there, and Rylan ECHBERG has been able to get past. I didn't quite clock what happened there because we were looking at Jaydan GREGG and Wesley SWAIN a little further back. Jaydan GREGG, by the way, winner from Heat 1, has done a brilliant job to get in amongst the top 5, but in amongst all of that, something happened there to Youngling, and it's now Rylan ECHBERG at the head of the field in the 73, Timo Youngling in second, Lewis ISLIN in third, Jack Stewart in fourth, and Jaydan GREGG in fifth. Comment came in just before the race got going for Ethian Symonds and Jaydan. Coming from the back, this could be interesting. I couldn't agree more. Rylan ECHBERG leads, Timo Youngling in second, Lewis ISLIN in third, Jack Stewart in fourth, fifth for Jaydan GREGG, Wesley SWAIN in sixth, Josh AGAMBAR in seventh. Johan Kalichern and Joshua Patrick just got himself up to 8th and 9th. Josh Patrick just had a brilliant lap, actually, got up 4 places. Spencer Brown rounds out your top 10. Alfie Thompson and James Bell just had good laps as well, as that was a move in Ashby. Was that Jack Stewart and Lewis ISLIN? No, there's ISLIN. Oh, it's Jaydan GREGG getting past Jack Stewart. I think that's what's happened. Yes, it is indeed. So Jaydan GREGG there in the blue and white helmet has got himself up to 4th place through Ashby and is now trying to get onto the tail of Lewis ISLIN. He's got some really impressive pace here, has Jaydan. It was that pace, of course, which took him to the win in Heat 1. Takes a wide line into oblivion to try and give himself a better drive off the corner and up the hill. He's right in the slipstream here, and surely ISLIN will have to go defensive. Either that or the place will be taken. There it is. Didn't find that one too much, did ISLIN? Thought better off defending and losing time. And behind them, I think Wesley SWAIN's got past Jack Stewart as well. So the 92 of Wesley SWAIN now past the 57. Indeed he is. Which means it's ECHBERG, Youngling, ISLIN, ECHBERG, Youngling, GREGG, ISLIN, SWAIN and Stewart. In your order, I reckon, this time around. See now James GREGG trying to get on the back of former race leader Timo Youngling, 3 minutes 20 on the clock. It is indeed ISLIN ECHBERG leading by 2.3 seconds from Timo Youngling. Jaydan GREGG now right onto the back of Timo Youngling for this second place up the hill. He's surely going to go for it on Christmas corner. He's got a brilliant run there, and that's fantastic stuff from Jaydan Gregg. Up to second place. Ahead of Timo Youngling. And it's Lewis ISLIN. Wesley SWAIN in fifth, Jack Stewart in sixth, Josh Patch still moving up the field, has just got past Josh AGAMBAR for seventh, James Bowen in ninth, and Alfie Thompson, who's really simply got past Spencer Brown to get himself up into the top 10 as well. So yeah, great stuff this by Jaydan Gregg. Back corner they come. On to lap number 7. How is the gap? Well, Rylan ECHBERG, who does have the fastest lap of the race at the moment, didn't just set it, but just hold the fastest lap of the race. He's keeping fairly consistent. Actually, he just matched the fastest lap of the race, so it's a very consistent pace that he's doing at the moment. And the gap is 2.8 seconds. And he's holding that gap, so at the moment, unless there is a major change, this is as high up as these two drivers can get, unless they can start beating the pace of Rylan ECHBERG up ahead. Into the boot come the battle for second. There's the gap. That's Rylan ECHBERG, you just saw him bottom of the shot. Question coming in from Butterworth as Rylan ECHBERG sets the fastest lap of the race, so he's doing everything he needs to do to hold off charging Jaydan Gregg. Question coming in from Tom Butterworth. This like a day of Spa at Whilton. Has anyone gambled on slicks? I don't believe anybody has. I think given the chaos that we saw in the previous race, everyone has taken the cautious option. I certainly haven't spotted anyone who's gambled on slicks. Race nonetheless. 45 seconds on the clock there, plus a lap. Rylan ECHBERG, there he is, your leader in the number 73. Then there's Jaydan Gregg, who sets the fastest lap of the race, but it only takes out 2/10 from the lead, so it's not enough to get the gap down. Timo Youngling in third, the 92 of Wesley SWAIN. There he is, with Lewis ISLIN for company. Then it's a slight gap back there to Joshua Patch. Haven't seen much of him, but he's had a brilliant race to get up to 6th place. Jack Stewart, James Bell in 7th and 8th, and then Alfie Thompson and Josh AGAMBAR now round out the top 10. Jack OWEN-DRAWBRIDGE just got past Johan Kallichan in the battle of the 13th further down, so there are still some battles happening here. Oh, there's a slow moving cart. I thought I saw white flag or something. Jaydan Hines there, clearly having some kind of issue, which means he is going around extremely slowly. So some drama there for Jaydan. That is going to be a card issue. He's usually quicker than that. Speaking of quick, Rylan ECHBERG sets another fastest lap of the race to go on to the last lap. He's not fussed at all. He's not interested in entertaining the idea of a battle with Jaydan Gregg. So he is surely, pending any disaster, going to hold on to this one. Through Ashby he goes. Jaydan Gregg as well now has a bit of a comfortable gap to Timo Youngling, former race leader. It's been a really good drive this from ECHBERG. Took the lead early on. Challenger sits there. Here he comes into the boot. We'll go through the left hand and then the two right hand apexes of the boot. Through paddock corner. And across the line comes, as I was wondering how they were going to interpret that gesture there for the marshal, Rylan ECHBERG takes the win in heat number 2 of the Honda Cadet. Jaydan Gregg finishes a brilliant second, working his way up through the field. Timo Youngling in third, Wesley SWAIN in fourth, Lewis ISLIN in fifth, sixth for Joshua Patch. Good job there to get up to 6th place there. 7th for James Bell. As we've got battling here, this is Ryutaro SAKAI in 44. Battling it out with, the 56 of Hayden Clark is what was going on there. Oh, there's the 75 off track. That is as Morrow's car.